Gaijin wins.
He might be better in speed mode, right? But it's just that I don't know. I just don't know. I like his colors though. He's got these records too.
Oh no.
Fire! Go down the stairs. Yo, this.
I didn't want to do that though.
Hey. Okay.
It's okay. Madonna.
Oh, I didn't do the follow up. Da 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 da. Bang. Just like that. Wow, I got grabs too.
Oui, t'es là super. Non.
Yo!
What?
I just done diddly did it. And it worked. Tap, tap, tap. I got 3. What? It sucked me.
Yeah.
Pause. No, where to follow up?
Madonna. Should have done the other one.
Nugget.
Wow! I mean, his character's Chinese. Now we know. Power.
Should I try speed?
Do what you want to do.
I'll try speed. Oh, but my leader is proud of me. I won one match. Oh, le cimetière quoi. Okay. So, yeah, like you get the launcher in speed mode?
Yes. I think it's inside of the...
Is it a universal?
I don't know.
It's like this one, right?
You're asking questions, I don't know.
Maybe you know. Maybe you knew they did it. Hey, what's the third follow-up? Damn, speed is not working out for me though.
You bubble too much.
Ça marche pas. Gyojin.
Oof. Gyoza.
Gyoza. No? Okay. Fuck. Okay.
Ma.
Okay. What? What should I do?
You have to do a combination.
Yeah, but how did I activate it?
I think
It wasn't express. No, it wasn't on purpose. So I don't have the ultimate super light.
No.
Okay. Yeah, I don't seem to have it. Ooh.
Da.
Twirlies.
That looks so cool.
Damn. Whoa, I disappeared.
He vanished.
I just vanished. But yeah.
Yay.
She's cool. I like her design really.
Yeah. Every character has a nice design.
Yeah.
I'll go back to Koichiro.
Or should we go with characters we don't know? We have no clue.
I just
Okay.
I just picked my main.
Let's do this. Go back to power. If I want to play speed, I have to spend a few hours in few minutes in training mode. But the speed mode is also great. I mean, Gabe always plays Zantetsu in speed mode.
It's annoying as fuck.
He's annoying as fuck, yeah. Still love the dude.
Sometimes. No.
You got them air pokes. Shiranui. Shiranui mine. Sanjo.
Oh dear.
No.
Why? Because you don't grab.
Just the walk up cane ran. Okay, that was that a cross?
My hand was in you. Every time.
Watch me.
Got the Ucho slide.
Yo.
No.
Just block.
Oh, I have to jump.
Damn.
Oh, good, that's.
No. Oh fuck.
Oh, that's so hard. I know what you want to do. Oh dear! No!
My bar.
Don't mean.
Chuck plasma.
No!
Damn.
Ah,
Still alive, baby?
you can speak up. Ah,
Oh. Oh, I parry.
no.
Now I parry.
Was a motherfucker.
You see that evade though? I tried to be stylish on your ass.
How?
That was a grab.
I saw that. I have eyes.
And the music is also great in this game. But yo, no, it's an SNK game, so
Music
goes
all
with-
good.
It goes without saying that the soundtrack is good in this game. Very fitting soundtrack. More like background soundtrack. Oh fuck.
Ucho slide.
Cha-cha slide. What you doing, the cha-cha slide? Yo, that poke. No!
Okay.
Where was the punish? Oh, so cute that.
Voila.
Damn, that command grab. Oh, mom. Yo, I jumped. I jumped though.
Well,
Hajime
on with you.
Hey.
No.
Oh, should have done the follow up. Follow up. Follow up. Follow up. Oh. Go cute ducks.
What?
Yo, catch these. Try to anti-air this. Oh, mom. Oh, we coming back. Yo!
Voila. Just there.
Is it unblockable?
Only when I. No.
When you fully charge?
Yeah.
Dang.
I'm afraid.
Chip
I'm
down.
scared.
Oh no!
That fucking dive
From
kick.
above. That was intense. And still not over yet. oh.
Could have.
You could have done shit. No.
Why do I want to do the complicated one?
I'm gonna bring it back. Watch out, learn.
No, I can't. I should have. Madonna, it's not there.
Isn't it? Santa Air. Oh fuck.
I fireballs too though. No, why do I always have this fucking reflex? Voila. Voila. Parry this. I know what you want.
I know
what you want.
Your chip damage. Slowly but surely. Yo, I'ma chuck that plasma.
No. Voila.
Why? I should have just thrown fireballs.
I mean, no.
Is 1-1? Is 1-1?
Oh boy.
Think so.
Do you think I keep up?
No, I'm not.
Just casual though. I know I should have won all the matches because you cheated.
Being better than you is cheating? Yeah, okay. That's,
Yeah.
yeah. I am the TO, I make the rules. But I'm the TO too. Well, that was a nice pun. Goku what?
Goku this time? Hi,
Goku this car. Goku this car.
No, I chopped you though.
No! Goku this
I was
car.
in. What?
What? That's what she said. Pause. Hey.
You mean he?
He, she. I don't know. Oh fucking hell.
For the combo. I can nullify your dumbass.
You can follow up with something.
Yeah. Wow, I didn't pay attention.
It's really hard to play against Coachy Roll.
Madonna.
Oh, I got those. Fuck. No, I can't punish that with a strong slash. Again, I do the strong slashes.
Mala endless.
Oh, I'm getting punished for that.
Here.
Looks nice, looks nice. I wanted to tease the super, so purposely let me hit you.
You.
I did it. I just did it.
Chucked. Oh, that command grab.
This command grab is too quick.
Her command grab.
This, I said this.
Okay. I would just say his.
I know. She's a she, and she's like the sister of the
Right, the one from last page 1.
yeah.